Love is an intense emotion. Let me start over. I am Shalom Blac. I am about to tell a story that I've never told before. So here we go. I am a burn survivor and a beauty influencer here on YouTube. I have faced a lot of challenges. I got burned at 9 years old in Nigeria, and then I moved to the United States for surgical purposes. I started attending school, got bullied, that pushed me to suicidal thoughts, and funny enough, I decided to create a YouTube channel. I think it's so much easier for me to be vulnerable on my YouTube channel to millions of people than to being vulnerable to one person. The last time I wanted to pursue a romantic relationship with someone was probably 2015. And it's 2018. Ooh, you're trying to really get all the tea, huh? The reason why my last time of pursuing a relationship was that long ago is because I was truly hurt. Because I thought the person actually loved me. But that's why. I am 22 years old and I have never experienced an actual relationship. I believe the way that I look plays a significant role. Many times guys are embarrassed to be seen with me. We are either hanging in the house or going to late night movies. In some cases, they just wanted sex. It makes me very afraid to love or be loved. I used to be very excited when somebody hit me up and told me, oh, you know what, come over. I guess at the time, I honestly didn't know my worth. The older I get, I realize that I don't want that. If you're embarrassed to be seen with me, then you will not see me, you know? Finding self-love for me wasn't easy. I wanted to be comfortable in my skin. I didn't want to have to get validation from people for me to be able to be myself or live my life. A lot of the times we see somebody that is considered beautiful or the standard of beauty that social media has put out there, that makes you feel less than. Being able to see me with my scars and being so open about it and being happy about life, because I feel like looks should not be the most important thing in a person's life. I don't think love is scary, but with my experience so far in life, it's just not something that I crave. With how I think about love ever change. My feelings about love can change, and I am open to actually experience it. I just need to put my guards down just slightly. When you can come across a stranger and decide that you want to live your life for the rest of your life with that person, it's crazy to me, but I feel like it's also freaking amazing. I just feel like I'm not mentally and emotionally ready for that yet, but I would love to experience love.